In this video, we listed the 5 best web camera on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Spedal MF934H Webcam. The product described appears to be a high-concerned chemical device equipped with a 2-megapixel CMOS image sensor and a USB interface for connectivity. It supports a packaging option, although it does not feature an autofocus capability. The information suggests a focus on chemical applications, although specifics regarding its intended use or additional functionalities are not provided. Further details can be accessed through a download option or by viewing additional information. Number 2. Taida 12MP 4K Webcam. The high-concerned chemical webcam is a high-definition, plug-and-play device designed for versatile video conferencing and streaming applications. It features a compact design with dimensions of 133 by 87 by 87 mm and weighs 310 g. The camera is equipped with a CMOS image sensor offering at least 10 megapixels and supports 4K resolution for crystal clear video quality. Users can easily control the camera's 20x digital zoom and stabilization features via a remote control, enhancing their video experience. The built-in dual omnidirectional microphones provide clear audio while reducing background noise, making it suitable for platforms like Zoom, Skype, and Twitch. It is compatible with Windows 7 and higher, as well as Mac OS X 10.7 and above. The package includes the webcam, a base bracket, remote control, and a data cable, ensuring a complete setup for professional quality video calls and content creation. Number 3. EMEET Webcam. The high-concerned chemical EMEET Model C60E is a technologically advanced camera designed for optimal performance in various applications. Featuring automatic focus capabilities, it ensures sharp and clear images, leveraging a high-quality CMOS image sensor. The camera connects via USB, making it easily compatible with a wide range of devices. The package includes all necessary components for seamless setup and use. Overall, the C60E is tailored for users seeking reliable and efficient imaging solutions. Number 4. Taida 4K Webcam. The product is a compact USB camera featuring an 8-megapixel CMOS image sensor, capable of delivering a maximum resolution of 3840 by 2160. Measuring 62.86 mm x 48.05 mm x 74 mm and weighing 228 g, it supports USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 interfaces. The camera includes AI zoom capabilities and built-in dual omnidirectional microphones, enhancing audio quality during use. It is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, version 7 and higher, and Mac OS 10.7 or higher. Designed for seamless video calls and streaming, it is well suited for platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Zoom, Skype, and many others, making it an excellent choice for content creators and remote communication. Number 5. AUSDOM AW651 Webcam. The AUSDOM AW651 HDR 2K Zoom certified webcam is a versatile and high-performance business camera designed for video conferencing, gaming, and streaming. It features a CMOS image sensor with a maximum resolution of 2592 by 1944 pixels, providing remarkable picture quality and smooth video at 1080p, 60 fps. This webcam incorporates advanced HDR technology for enhanced dynamic range and detail in images, while the fast autofocus ensures smoother video capture. Users can enjoy a customizable field of view with a 5-layer coated wide-angle lens, adjusting between 60 degrees and 75 degrees. The built-in dual noise-cancelling microphones deliver crystal-clear audio, making it ideal for communication. For privacy protection, the camera includes a privacy cover slider, safeguarding against unauthorized access. The plug-and-play design ensures easy connectivity to various applications, although it does not come with a tripod. Overall, it offers an impressive combination of features for an enhanced video experience.